In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a word problem using systems of equations. So here's the word problem, and I'm not going to write down the whole thing. I'm just going to write down the basic ideas, okay? The admission fee at a small fair is $1.50 for a child and $4 for an adult. Okay, we know that much. On a certain day, 2,200 people came to the fair, and the money earned was $5,050. The question is, how many children and how many adults? How many children and how many adults? Okay. All right, so I just wrote down that adults we're going to call A, children we're going to call C. Now, what do we know? We know that if we add the A plus C together, we get how many people all together? 2,200. Right? We know that much. We also know that the child's ticket is $1.50, the adult's ticket is $4. So can't we say 4A, which means $4 for every adult ticket, plus 1.50, $1.50 times the number of children tickets is going to equal how much? 5050. Now there we have our two systems of equations, and we're just going to solve it. All right, so I wrote this problem on the other side so I can show you more room here. Well, I'm going to just substitute, and I'm going to call A $2,200 minus C. So I'm going to say A, I'm going to call 2,200 minus C. I'm going to pull the C over to the other side, all right? Now I can use that up here in my equation. So I'm going to go like this. 4 times 2,200 minus C, isn't that what A equals? And I want to know, what does A equal here? Well, it equals this. It equals that whole thing. You understand that? I don't just put down 4 times 2,200. I have to put down 4 times this whole thing, because that's what A is. And I have how many of them? I have 4 of them. Plus 1.5. I don't have to put down the 1.50, guys. I can just put down 1.5. C equals 50/50. Now, when I do my distributive property and I add all this together, it's going to equal 8800 minus 4C plus 1.5C equals 50/50. And then I'm going 8,800 minus 2.5C is going to equal 50/50. Then I go minus 8,800 on both sides. You could have finished this up yourselves, guys, but I'll just do it real quick. I want this in your notes, and I want you to copy down every single thing. That goes bye-bye. Negative 2.5C equals negative 3750. I divide by negative 2.5. And I come up with C is going to equal 1,500. Now what does that mean? That means that the number of children is going to be 1,500. Now I'm going to go back in the equation and so forth to solve for A. Let me just do it over here so we have all our stuff. I'm going to go like this. A, see what A equals up here? A equals 2,200 minus C. So A equals 2,200 minus 1,500 and A is going to equal 700. So we have 700 adults and 1,500 kids. Copy that down. Make sure you understand it. Don't just write it down.